Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove saw blade from Einhell table saw. And to do this, first we'll need to unlock the lever mechanism on this saw by pulling on this bolt towards us. And then we can pull it out like this. Next thing is on the other side of our saw. And there's another bolt that we need to unscrew using the smaller tool that comes with this saw, and simply unscrew it to the left. It should go out like that. Then we'll get the access for the main screw on our blade saw, and for that we also need to remove the cover, this one right there. Now, one thing that you might need to do is also turn it on the other side. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's this gap right here, and it's a gap for the screwdriver. You can stick it in there to hold the saw so you can actually unscrew it. And for that also, let me show you it on the saw itself. There's these gaps on the saw, and we'll need to align them with the hole that I shown you a second ago. Now put in the screwdriver. Now we can rotate it again to the bolt that holds the blade. And start unscrewing it. So I've managed to unscrew it, and it took a lot of force, so just try as hard as you can. There's no other way, and the bolt should go out right about now. And now the blade actually came out, and we can remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.